Today I'm going to talk about the probability of getting a one-stage compound event that's mutually exclusive. So first I wanted to go over some of the definitions. So like a one-stage event, or one stage would be one object or event. So like that would be just flipping a coin or rolling a dice with one object or one action. An event is the outcomes of interest we're looking for. So a compound event is a probability of two or more things happening at once. So it's one object, like it says up here, in more than one event. So you want to know how many times you could roll a 2 and a 4 on a dice. Mutually exclusive means they can't happen at the same time, like rolling a 2 and a 4 on one dice. It's impossible. You're going to get one of the other numbers or just one of those. So for some examples, I drew this kind of colorful dartboard thing, and I want to know the probability of throwing a dart and hitting orange and blue. And just throwing one dart, you know that you're not going to be able to hit, you're going to either get orange or blue. So the probability of that is 0. And that's mutually exclusive because it can't happen at the same time. It's one or the other. So like here I did just to show the probability of hitting orange or blue is, so if you look at this as 100%, the orange is 50%, and then the blue right here is half of the half, so it's 25%. So if you were to do orange or blue, you would have a 75% chance of hitting orange or blue, but if you're trying to do them both at the same time, you won't be able to because you're going to hit one or the other. Next, I did rolling a 6-sided dice, and so the probability of rolling a 1 or a 3, so out of the 6 options you have, we'll just do a little tree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 choices, you want to know a 1 or a 3, so you have 2 out of 6, or 1/3 probability of getting a 1 or a 3. And the same thing if you're rolling a 6-sided dice and you want to know the probability of rolling a 1 and a 3, you wouldn't be able to because you're either going to get 1 or 3. So the probability of 1 and 3 is 0/6. And I was thinking for like a class activity, I'd probably do something. This is hard for me to understand. So I would probably do something physical, like doing something with dice, and I would make up a worksheet like this so they can actually see, especially when with mutually exclusive events, I've had a hard time keeping straight what that actually means. So I would probably do physical things like this and use colors, but definitely a worksheet where they're rolling dice and trying to find out the probability of getting each one. So that is my lesson on one-stage compound events that are mutually exclusive.